All right, here we go. What are we doing today?
Today we're going to do valve job.
Joe is not going to film so close today, correct, Joe?
We're going to cut valve seats.
Joe, are you going to film real
And
close
I'm going to
again?
stay a little bit back further than I have been lately, folks. It doesn't look. It looks good on my telephone screen, but it doesn't look good
You
on
have
TV.
a small phone.
That's a large phone.
It's a small phone. And your eyes are bad.
Yeah, my eyes are bad.
All right.
Are we on record? Yep.
I don't have anything around here. What do you mean not on record yet?
I said, are we on record? Yep.
Is the red button on?
Yeah, it's on. Yeah.
You got any bolts?
The light's on. Yeah. Voltage.
Where's the bolts? You're on?
Got three batteries. 3 stripes on the battery.
Come here, don't work.
Probably the air's not on.
There's not on over here.
It's on here.
Not on over here, though.
How about this one? That's going to the bead blaster's not on. You got another valve over there?
Yeah, we got one over here. It's got pretty good pressure, 180
What was all
pounds.
that about?
You can really tell when it's going together. It doesn't want to go.
What was it? You took the hose and nozzle off? Hose in on? Oh, I see. You put the hose
That's an
together.
open airline when I popped that.
Yeah, I see. You put it back together with Nova.
It's double, so
Yeah.
this is capped off. See?
Oh, I see. So you get better.
I like how you go further away from me as I'm
I
trying
was
to
trying
show
to look
you
at the
something.
damn thing.
You're
Yeah.
supposed to look through here. That's why
Yeah.
you're filming stuff and I can't see anything in the video because you're looking through your eyeballs and not through the camera.
Right. You know,
There's a lot of stuff that you
We're
didn't
trying not to
film.
do that also.
There's a lot of stuff that did not get filmed. But we talked about it though.
I'm an amateur.
We talked about it. You didn't show any of it. But you sure got a good view of your front tire being on backwards. That was a good view. Now everybody knows you got a tire on backwards. Okay, which one's the long ones? These mixed up. They're the same ones. So Joe, how come your tire's on backwards?
I must have been blinded that night when I put it on.
Blinded.
I'm really surprised, to tell you the truth.
You're surprised that people noticed it?
I'm surprised that I put it on backwards.
Most of the guys tell me tires are on backwards. They're full of it because the tread looks backwards to what they think it should be.
Yeah.
The arrow says the correct direction. But in your case, your arrow says you're on backwards.
Mm-hmm.
That's the problem with the dual disc wheel. You can put it on either way.
Yeah.
Do you have a speedo drive on both sides?
Speedo drives on the transmission on that bike makes it even easier to go
So
the
it
other way.
doesn't matter then.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's why. So it's a rolling death trap is what you're saying.
So it doesn't have, oh, because of the tire?
Yeah.
Will it blow up?
Nope.
What's it do? Bounce?
You might feel something different in handling a little bit in the corner, but
Seems to work good on the freeway now, yeah.
going straight doesn't do anything. That's what they tell me in the racing. I just put a front tire in the bag, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
They don't make that size tire for old bikes.
Mm-hmm.
High speed rating.
Yeah.
No, just put the front one in the back. And I said, okay. Here, put that in my logbook that you have to want me to do that, sir. Oh no, we're not going to do that. You just told me to do it. Oh no, I never said that. Okay, then let me go on racing. All you can't, your tire's illegal. Make up your mind. If I can't put a tire in a bike that's legal, what am I going to do?
What, you got an 18 on the back?
18s, 19s.
Can't get
Anything narrow.
a speed tire for that, huh?
If you look at Z-rated tires,
Oh,
the
narrow
narrowest,
ones,
the
yeah.
narrowest Z-rated tire for back wheel is a 160.
Really?
Narrowest.
Wow.
Narrowest tire made.
That's bigger than the one I got.
And that's on an 18. 17, I think you get a 150, I think. But most of them are 180 and up on tire widths on those things. So you are screwed if you have an old bike and they want you to go fast. According to their rules. And then you put a tube in it, you lose half the speed, right? You drop the speed, so now you go.
The rating?
So now you have to go to a full race tire because the ZR is only good to 250. The next tire down is a V.
Wow. That's good for what?
So you take a 250 mile an hour tire and it drops down to a 150 mile an hour tire and you're supposed to go on a record over 150, you can't race again, you're illegal.
Just by putting an inner tube in it.
Just by doing an inner tube.
Wow.
So you should do?
Because the tube's a weak link then,
You
huh?
don't tell them about the inner tube.
Yeah. That's a weak linkage. They figure the tube could blow, or the valve stem rip out or something.
Heat buildup or something. They got something stupid. The key word was this, stupid.
You're right.
Problem with racing. Too many geniuses out there that think they know what they're doing.
Yep.
Okay, I need something to see with.
Light wise?
Oh, I'm used to being in the dark. Where'd you go?
Flashlight or the one? Oh, magnifier. Be able to see.
Then when Joe looks at me, I can say, "Oh, look at that! It's perfect." Of course, he can't see shit. What do you want to be, full on the edge, or you just want to be halfway on the edge?
Whatever makes the bike the fastest.
Right out there on the edge. Take full advantage of that big ass valve. Is that what you want?
Mm-hmm.
Problem is I can't see the edge of the valve. It's out of focus and dark.
Want some flashlight?
And it's too bright.
So you get one of the lamps off your welding table over there.
Or you just do like I always do, just guess. Alright, we're in a 5/16. You got a 5/16 pocket? Ooh, that is a nasty 5/16. That has not been cleaned for a while.
You got some crocus cloth at
Look at the
home?
rust on that. You didn't bring it with you?
No.
Damn, that scrub pad I have over here.
I used it on the heads the other day. Yeah, did you get it? Oh, that's it. That's supposed to go through the guide
Nope.
machine?
Look at that.
That still looks better.
Got build up.
Been a while since you did Evo head or what?
It's been a while since I used this pilot. Well, you're not used to it for a while.
Yeah. Moisture in the air around the salt air environment we have.
There we go. I got it off. You want to see if it's any good, you go like this.
Pass.
Went in.
Spun around.
Spun around. Went in. Okay, what color are we using? An exhaust.
Okay.
There it is. Okay, where's it at? It's definitely out of focus. Gee, that's out of focus. It's either out of focus or dark or both, I can't tell. The next problem is where's the angle change at? In the darkness and out of focus, it's hard to tell where you're at.
I'm bringing a light over here.
Light doesn't
It's a
help.
racing engine we're building here.
Light doesn't help.
Not no throwaway.
It's in a throwaway? You mean that dark spot above my head here isn't good enough for you?
No, it doesn't sound like it.
Oh, what if I go over here?
It might be a little better there, but
Ooh, look at that, I can see a lot better. Now it's too small. Move it out. Oop. You gotta get your hand out of the light though. This
My
is a race
hand?
motor? We're doing a race motor?
yes.
Oh. But you don't have a race cam in it.
It doesn't?
No,
Kind of.
there won't be a cam in it.
It doesn't have 650 lift, is that why?
Yeah. Makes a difference, you know.
Sure, but you compare that one to the one we took out of it, there's a big difference in it also.
Just because you went from triangle to oval,
Yes.
you think that makes a difference?
Smog cam to a
Well, we gotta do the ID on this thing, don't we? So I'm not doing that for it yet. Getting ahead of myself.
what's ID mean? Inside down or the valve size?
Or, hold on. How come my stuff's hidden way back here? I can't get to it. This machine's in the way. I need a pivot right here to get in there.
That thing won't move? Whole table?
And I didn't want to go this way around here, so I think I'll use this arm here. Can I
There
see
you
what
go.
I'm doing?
There you
Is
go.
that the
Use your
one?
right arm this time.
Is that the one? Yeah, but I can't see what I'm grabbing.
Make it easy on yourself.
That one looks like it might work. Barely works. What if I use one of these other ones? What if I use a big one?
I don't even know what you're doing.
Doing that.
That went in a little easier.
You're going all. So you have to look where you're at. Feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Pull out 3.
Know your board.
Boom. Taper pilot, jam it in there. Did we ever level this machine out?
Yeah.
You sure?
Not today, but I know you did it a while back.
Well, this thing is not perfectly level.
Not any longer.
It's only almost perfect. Here's Harley. Let's see which way I need to go. This way. Nope, this way. Precision adjustments. I can either get that shadow or this shadow. Or that shadow. There's probably one from that over there in the camera too. You like that spot?
I do.
You sure? Is that square?
Sure as hell is that way.
It is? How about that way?
Let's go that way too.
No, it
Go a little
is.
bit
It's
this
off.
way on.
It's off a little bit.
You come this way a little bit.
Yeah. Low life out there.
Yep.
You get to work?
Yeah, I'm figuring it out.
Is that good enough for you? No?
No.
You don't like it?
No, it's way off.
It's way off.
Way low on the
Oh my
this
God.
side.
How'd that happen? Make that better? Precision.
Yeah.
What the hell are you doing? Is that a bubble level on there or something?
That's
Mhm.
right. Mr. Bubbly.
Precision.
It's a bubby.
All I know is my 65 panhead runs like a bat out of hell. We did all this.
We haven't showed that yet in video.
And then some.
We haven't talked about that yet in video. What am I doing?
Sizing the intake. As a port.
You count.
You got any double-sided tape?
Nope.
Okay. All I need to know.
We got the tapes under here. We can't much. Got some tape.
I'll get some.
Plastic tape.
No, we're good.
Somewhere got a roll of duct tape.
No.
Somewhere.
Target might have it down the street.
Yeah, everybody's got it. Alright.
There's rolls of tape someplace. Go up the stairway on top of the stairway and make some tape. There's a bunch of tape up in the box up there.
Okay.
I don't know if it'll work for you.
That's some double-sided shit
Up
too.
here.
Yeah, top of the hill.
We'll be back in a minute.
Yeah, here's on top of that.